Hello everyone, it's Crystal. Today we're going to compare 4 different sentence structures which are usually related to the future, such as will and would. So we can see how the meaning or usage changes. These sentence structures often have many different kinds of usages. So it is important to learn these kinds of words by looking at many different sentences so we have a deeper understanding about what those sentences actually mean, instead of just memorizing different usages from the dictionary, which can be quite confusing. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let's look at these examples. I will buy this car. I would buy this car. Let me buy this car. I'm going to buy this car. Let's take a look at the first sentence. Will is used for future actions, especially with strong intent or certainty. So in this sentence, I will buy this car. I am expressing my strong intention to buy that car. Will is also used when we make immediate decisions. So this sentence makes it sound like I am at the dealership right now, looking at the car that I like, and I have decided to buy it. So I would say, I will buy this car. Now let's look at the second sentence. Would is the past tense of will, but it has many different usages, which is why it can be quite confusing for non-native speakers. One of the main usages of would is in conditional sentences or imagined situations. So in this example, I would buy a car. Buying a car is an imagined situation. So I would buy this car if I had the money, but I don't have the money, so I cannot buy that car. So this is a situation that is not likely to happen in the future. In the third sentence, let me plus verb is used when asking for permission or an opportunity to do something. So in this example, let me buy this car. We can think about maybe a teenager asking their parents to allow them to buy a car. Finally, in the last example, I am going to buy this car. Going to plus a verb structures are used when we want to express a future plan that we have made before this moment. So compared to will, it sounds like I decided to buy this car before the moment I am speaking, and I plan to buy it sometime in the future, farther future. So sometime like next week, for example. Let's take a look at the next set of examples. I will order the steak. I would order the steak. Let me order the steak. I'm going to order the steak. In the first sentence, you are saying that you intend to order the steak. You are quite certain. It sounds like an immediate decision, so you are likely sitting in the restaurant and telling this to your friend, what you intend to order. You could say this sentence to the waiter, but we usually say, I'll have the steak. or I'd like the steak, please, instead, because it sounds more natural and polite than using the verb order. In the second sentence, I would order the steak. This is an imagined situation. So we often use this structure when we give personal recommendations. So I could tell my friend, if I were you, I would order the steak because it's delicious. But anyway, I am not you. So this is not possible. It is an imagined or hypothetical situation. In the third sentence, it sounds like someone is asking permission to order the steak. So perhaps a teenager or a child asking their parents if it is okay if they order the steak. Maybe it is expensive or it's a food that they don't normally get to eat. In the last sentence, I am going to order the steak. This is a planned future action. So it sounds more like you chose your order before going to the restaurant, maybe looking at the menu online, and you are telling your friend before you arrive at the restaurant what you plan to order. So we probably wouldn't say this sentence if you are already sitting in the restaurant. Now let's take a look at a few examples with you as the subject. You will attend the seminar. You would attend the seminar. You might want to attend the seminar. You are going to attend the seminar. In the first sentence, you will attend the seminar. We are still talking about a future action that is very likely to happen. But remember that will is usually used when the speaker decides something now with strong certainty. But with you will sentences, you are talking about the other person, not yourself. So in this case, it sounds like you are telling the other person something that happens in the future that they did not decide themselves. So let me give you an example. I am the other person's manager, and I tell them, you will attend the seminar because Julie is sick today. Also, depending on the tone and situation, this sentence can also be a strong command, as in, you will attend the seminar. If you don't, you may be fired. So in this case, that is a strong command. In the second example, you would attend the seminar. Remember that would is often used in imagined or hypothetical situations. So we could say, you would attend the seminar if you were a manager, but you aren't a manager, so you won't attend. So this is an impossible situation, so we can use would. In the third example, you might want to attend the seminar. Might want to is used to suggest something to someone. So in the example, you are suggesting that the other person attend the seminar for some reason. In the last sentence, you are going to attend the seminar. In this kind of example, it is used very similarly to you will sentences. So it is talking about a future action that is likely to happen or as a command. So we could say, You are going to attend the seminar instead of me. Let's look at these examples. I will help you. I would help you. Let me help you. I'm going to help you. In the first sentence, I will help you. This is a statement of strong future intent to offer assistance. This sentence sounds quite strong, so we would normally only use it with people we know very well. The second sentence, I would help you. You are talking about an imagined possibility that is very unlikely to happen. So, I would help you if I had time, but I don't have time because I work, so I cannot help you. This is an imagined hypothetical situation. In the next sentence, let me help you. You are asking for the opportunity to help someone else. So this expression sounds much softer than I will sentences because you are giving the other person the opportunity to politely refuse your offer. In the last example, I am going to help you. This sounds like a previously planned decision for a future action. So it sounds like you have decided to help the other person do something sometime in the future. So we could say, I am going to help you tomorrow or maybe next Saturday. It was already planned. I really hope that these examples gave you a better understanding about how the meaning or usage can change depending on which term that we use. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, we hope that you subscribe for new content. And until next time, bye!